I'm about to do my strengthening wash day treatment, and for that I am going to be using the Olaplex. So I'm going to use this like bond building treatment, the number 0, and then I'm also going to do the hair perfector number 3. And so I'm gonna spray my hair down with this. I don't like the fact that it just sprays in like a straight line. That's so annoying. Just get my hair like saturated with that a bit, and I'll keep this in for like a couple of minutes to make sure that my hair like absorbs it. And this is what the curls look like once that's done. And then for my product lineup today, I'm gonna be using gentle anti-breakage shampoo with prickly pear, pumpkin seed, guava, and hydrolyzed rice protein with kale leaf. So I'll be using that. And then I will also be using the sample size Matrix Food for Soft. It's the moisturizing line. My hair is not really dry per se. It's just that when using a strengthening shampoo or like a protein treatment, you do want to go in with a moisturizing shampoo. And I'm basically out of the Sacred shampoo and conditioner that I've been using. I am going to be using this one from the Matrix. This is the hydrating shampoo. I've heard really good things about this brand, and that's why I got the sample size, so I can try them out first before committing to like the full size. The sample size also comes with the detangling hydrating conditioner, and I don't detangle my hair in the shower, but maybe I should start doing that, especially if this conditioner is designed for that. I just wish that, you know, my hair was long enough so I can detangle and then put it in twists, because my hair gets tangled very easily. To finish up everything, I'm going to use this post-wash calming conditioner. I love this conditioner because it has hyaluronic acid in it, which is super hydrating, as well as peppermint oil, which gives you that stimulating, refreshing type of feel on the scalp, with tea tree oil, and tea tree oil is antibacterial. So again, this is really good for like your scalp health, and it's from Curlsmith. I really like this, and that is basically the lineup for my actual wash. It is freshly washed. I really like to use products for a while before giving my opinion on them, but my first impressions on the Matrix Food for Soft, it definitely does what it says it needs to do, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna use the Matrix Food for Soft multi-use hair and oil serum that came in the sample on my scalp. So this would be my scalp serum for today, and I'm just like dropping it throughout my hair. There's no like structure or rhyme or reason to this. I'm literally just dropping it into my hair, making sure that it's touching my scalp as well. So I'm literally just going to do the same thing that I've been doing, which is like my finger curls. If you want to see like a full week in my hair, just let me know, because you know I'm willing to do that. The being boring mantra that I'm currently on this week, it also applies to my hair. It is because I was too adventurous. That is why I had, not too adventurous, but I wasn't following my routine that I had set in place, because you know I wanted to do more with my hair. I wanted to experiment more with my hair, and because of that I got heat damage, and so I had like a little minor setback. But yeah, I'm just, you know, sticking with what works right now, and this hair routine is basically what is working for me right now. I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, maintain healthy curls and grow my hair. So yeah, it's the same thing every week, same routine, and that's pretty boring for me. You know, I like to be more adventurous with my hair. I like to style my hair a bit more, but I'm prioritizing my goal, which is healthy hair. You know what I mean? I want to retain more length. I don't want any damage. I don't want any of that. So yeah, and this, the finger coiling is what's working. I am using the salon line, like I said, conditioning comb cream. It's almost done. My goal is to finish this by May because it expires in May.
Fil tendu entre nos cœurs, un pont fragile sous l'orage. Les mots dansent mais se meurent, perdus dans ce grand mirage. Toi là-bas dans ton silence, moi ici je tends la main. Les jours passent en errance, nos âmes cherchent un chemin. On bâtit des murs invisibles, mais l'amour reste indestructible. Unis, séparés, deux âmes qui s'effleurent. Unis, séparés, des éclats de bonheur.
Okay, so I'm using my holding spray and my heat protectant before going in with my Dyson blow dryer, which I really love. I really love that I made this investment. It's the best investment I've ever made in my hair. And what I'm gonna do is blow dry on low heat with like a low strength, because I don't want to just blast my hair with the heat. And this is a very powerful blow dryer, so I just want to take as many precautions as possible. And it does come with a little bit of a learning curve, to be honest. And so I think the low heat, low air flow combo, it should be good. And that is the curls. That is my strengthening like wash day routine. And then I just leave my hair in these curls. They're still not like fully dry, so I like to like let it set for a day or two before unraveling it to give it that volume, that, you know, curly afro look that I like. But this is the hair. This is, you know, the wash day all done.
Et si les étoiles pouvaient parler?